Welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. I'm thrilled to have you here as we embark on yet another exciting altered book challenge journey into the realm of creativity and art journaling. Today we'll again dive into my altered book as a sketchbook or art journal project, a place where inspiration and self-expression blend seamlessly. If you want to get some academia aesthetic ephemera for your creative projects as well, check out my Etsy shop for this chaotic academia journaling kit or other ephemera printables to spark your creativity. I must admit, this little project has stolen my heart. It's because one of my absolute favorite at the moment, allowing me to escape the pressures of perfection and relish in the simple joy of artistic exploration and documentation of my fun creative adventures this summer. It's like a breath of fresh air in a world often consumed by the pursuit of flawlessness. If you want to see me start this altered book challenge and hear me talk more about my intended purpose and the advantages of the altered book challenge, check out my first video in this series. I will leave a link in the description down below. This altered book serves as more than just a creative outlet. It's a window into my world, a dialogue with myself and the world around me, and a little time capsule for this summer. I no longer fear making mistakes, for within these pages, mistakes are welcome guests. Each imperfection is a stepping stone towards growth and learning and a part of the creative process. In this session, I just want to create a little collage and interactive art journal spread. Some pages in this altered book are filled with sketches capturing the moments of inspiration. Others are adorned with little trinkets, pieces of my journey that breathe life into this art journal. It's a treasure trove of memories that I cherish for years to come. This project has allowed me to document the essence of this season, capturing its beauty and vibrancy with every stroke of the pen. It's an artistic time capsule of my life, reflecting the ever-changing season of existence, and a bit of a visual diary. There's something therapeutic about having an art journal where I can freely express my thoughts in an artistic way. It's like sharing a secret with myself, and through art I can grow and understand myself better. The beauty of this project is its flexibility. Mixed media, collage, pen and ink, poetry. Every form of art finds its place within these pages. There's no right or wrong way, only endless possibilities waiting to be uncovered. This altered book is a reminder that art does not need to be confined by rules or expectations. It's a rebellion against the pressure to conform. So my dear friends, I invite you to join me in this creative journey. Embrace the imperfections, celebrate the small victories, and create without fear. Your art journal, your sketchbook, your altered book. Whatever form it takes, let it be your sanctuary of self-expression and creativity. Thank you for spending this time with me in my creative haven. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to join me on this creative journey. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our future artistic explorations. Until next time, remember to be kind to yourself and keep creating.